Day number 2 in Ikea. So we have everything properly planned, because if we don't plan, it will happen like yesterday. We completely got lost for almost 5 hours without knowing how to do the shopping right. So we have the things in place. So we're going to go according to the plan. We're trying to finish the entire shopping by today. And once we finish the shopping, we have to find a vehicle. That is, we need to go back to Bangalore. That's Mysore from Hyderabad. It's almost 800 kilometers from here. So we are planning to go take a Zoom car and then drive back home with all our luggages. So we just have to really plan out properly what is the biggest furniture that we have. Will that be fitting into the car that we are going to hire today? So many things, a lot of things in place, and also we need to really look at our budget as well. So keeping the budget in place, vehicle in the mind, the furnitures, the things for our home. So a lot of things. Let's see what happens. Let's get it coming. If you have not visited Ikea, you have to visit Ikea once.
Quick update. So I think we finished the furnitures, the office, the living room, bedroom, kitchen. Now we are into decorative items. Decorative items like plants, frames, and all of that. So this is where I am. Guys, you guys have to visit IKEA if you are planning something for your home. This is like really amazing.
Yes guys, this is all for the new apartment. I always wanted to have a dream studio, a dream apartment, kind of dream YouTube place. So finally I'm doing it. The thing that I really understood is whatever you think, it happens in reality. What you think who like you become who you are. So try to manifest by thinking what you want. There is nothing impossible. It is really important. There is nothing impossible, guys. Everything is possible. It starts from your mind. If something wants to happen in life, first it should happen in your mind, and then it will happen in your reality. Don't doubt how, but constant action, working towards your goals will definitely come true. So yeah, this is one of the biggest shopping that I'm really doing. So here are my trolleys. So in this we all have curtains, carpets, everything to our living area, and in this we have a lot of pots, everything into lighting and pots, and here also a lot of things into decorative things. So this is all about day 2, guys.
finally we have it sorted. So these guys are going to help us with delivery. Trolley 1, trolley 2, trolley 3. This is trolley 4, 5 and this big mattress. So it's very difficult for us to take this home. So we're going to give this to the delivery people from IKEA, and then they will be helping us with the delivery.
Actually went out to get the boxes and all of that to the packing, but then we figured out it is not really possible with so many luggage to go back in a car. So we decided to give it to the delivery people. So we're just moving outside, then it is done. So we are almost done with day 2. I mean, not day 2, we are completely done with IKEA shopping, and we are so happy that yeah, we did get the right products, right?
Right, yes.
Did we make the right decision of coming here?
Exactly, yes. And everything was systematically arranged.
Yeah.
It was very feasible for us to find out each and every products what we needed.
Yeah.
Suppose if we had outside shopping outside from IKEA, it would have taken 1 week.
Yeah. So yeah. It was, one thing is like we got everything inside IKEA. We just entered in, and from A to Z everything was there. Because if we had gone outside, it would have been taken 1 week to really figure out, run behind different shops and all of that. So yeah, one of the best decision. We're almost done.
Yeah.
And we are also ending this vlog. Before ending, I'll actually show you our students who are in Hyderabad, and then we're done. Look at this beautiful background, guys. It's so amazing. That's so amazing. Guys, meet Vishal, and he's one of my mentee in Hyderabad. So happy, Vishal. Thank you so much.
Hey guys.
Because we came to IKEA, and Amir is also from Hyderabad. Thanks a lot, Amir, for coming, and also Vishal, thanks a lot. Finally, we are done with the IKEA shopping. IKEA is there, so we are almost done. I want to really thank Amir for actually really coming here and joining with us. And yeah, Bojana, thanks a lot. If you were not there, this would have not really been possible. Because if you said let's go to IKEA, I asked you, how about we go to IKEA? You said let's go, and then you said let's go today only. So we just came in within like 48 hours.
Plans.
We finished it. And Vishal, thanks a lot. Vishal is from Hyderabad, and he came all the way from almost from 30 kilometers. He really helped us a lot, and in terms of lot of things. Thank you so much, Vishal. And finally, guys, I'm closing this vlog. Done with the shoot. Bye bye, everyone.